Hello everyone, look at this, wow, so nice box. What is this box? This is a magic box, right guys? Look at this, this is a glass. Yes, this is a glass box. What is this inside? Inside so many balls. Look at this. I think we have inside something. Let's try find something. I think we have maybe trucks, maybe cars, maybe I don't know, right? Really, I don't know what we have inside. I wanna find. I go inside, go down, right? Yes, I go down, but I'm not feeling some cars. No, don't feel it. Don't feel it. Go to the back side, go to the front side. Maybe do you? See something? Oh, I feel I find something. Car. Oh, look at this, guys. Whoa, so beautiful. What is it? This is a truck. Look at this, right? This is a truck. This is a postal truck. Wow. Whoa, look at this. Oh, cabin is beautiful. Look at this, so big cabin. Whoa, green cabin, postal. Whoa, look at the back side. Oh, back side is white and green because this is a postal machine. Whoa, look at this. Let's try find something inside. Oh, open the doors. Wow, open the doors. Wow, what do you think inside? Whoa, look at this. Oh, we have put inside something. Oh, this is so many mails, right? I wanna drop it. Oh, nice. Oh, close the doors. Oh, look at this. Oh, this is a postal machine. Oh, postal truck. Right, so beautiful. Oh, I wanna find more trucks. So many balls. Look at this. Dump truck. You're right. So beautiful. Look at this beside this truck is a silver right. Look at this front. So beautiful. Open the doors. Wow, so nice. Orange door, right? Cabin is orange, right? Look at this. Wow. I think we need to drop it. Drop. Wow. Don't drop. So nice. I wanna find something. Oh, right. I'm feeling something. Whoa, look at this. This is amazing. What is this? Backside turn, right. Oh, this is an excavator. This is an excavator. So beautiful. Open doors. Front door so beautiful. Close the doors. Whoa, look at this cabin. Cabin beautiful and red. Wow. I have something. I wanna take it. What? I take it and turn and drop it. Oh, so nice. Nice. So beautiful excavator. Wow, look at this. I wanna find. Oh, guys, look at this. So beautiful truck. Right. Concrete mixer machine. Oh, look at this. Whoa. Oh, backside, this is just spinning, right? Yes, look at this. Go to the left, go to the right, go to the left. Oh, so nice. Oh, look at this. Oh, this is cabin is blue, right? Oh, backside is a white and blue, right? Look at this. We need drop. So nice. Mixer machine, mixer truck. Whoa. So I think we have more trucks inside. I wanna find. Go to the right, go to the left, go to the down, go to the up. Whoa! Whoa! Go to the ceiling, go to the floor. Whoa! Look at this, guys! It's amazing. Oh, this is a cleaning machine. Oh no, it's garbage machine, garbage truck. Right, look at this. Wow. Open the doors, close the doors. Right, so beautiful. Doors. Oh, cabin. Oh, cabin is white. Backside is blue. Yes, right. Let's go take some garbage inside. I take garbage inside. We need to drop it. Oh, so nice. And drop it. Oh, so nice. Garbage machine, garbage truck. Oh, I wanna find more. Oh, look at this. Oh, I have only balls. Why? Because I found all trucks for today. Right, guys? This is a magic box. So I think in the next video we can find more trucks. Right? Subscribe and click the button for making like for me. And see you.